friends, it's Sonia Miller and welcome back to my daily vlog. If you've not been here before on my channel, welcome and welcome to my dining room. Echo, echo! To bring you up to speed, in the last few months, we actually just purchased a new home. I call it a new old home because it was built in the late 1800s. Totally a bargain mansion, and I am all about fixing it up and putting my own spin on it. If you're watching this vlog, you will have come to know that I love to make spaces beautiful, do it on a budget, on a dime, decorate for less, and love it all that much more. So we paint, we thrift, we junk, we clearance shop, go to furniture auctions. We will even take things for free by the side of the road. So hopefully today I'm gonna serve you up some inspiration and we are gonna pull together this space, cozy, beautiful, and on a dime with all kinds of pieces that I've collected. And I think today we'll throw a little bit of painting in it as well. This room is pretty darn spacious. It's really, really big. I've pulled everything out of it except that one table over there, and I'll give you the story on that in just a second. It's got beautiful original hardwood floors. Eventually I will stain them, but today we're gonna clean them. So the only piece that I have in here right now is this table that we purchased on Way Day on sale from Wayfair. Have you guys ever gone down this path before? You buy something online and you get it and you're like, that's not what I thought it was gonna be. Well, I love it, it's beautiful. That part is all what I thought it was gonna be, but actually the height of this table is like pub style height. It is like way up here to my hips. So what we're gonna have to do is find chairs, and I don't have chairs like that. I need the higher ones, and right now I only have the standard size that I found while I was out junking. So until we get the chairs for this, we'll eventually move it over here into the middle of the room, and I do like that chandelier that's already in the space. I think it's kind of cool and medieval looking. So that is what this piece is over here. We're just gonna let it sit on the side over here right now. Honestly, I use it as a buffet. So when people come over, I can put my spread of food. We can actually eat at the table, but this becomes like my, build your taco. You know what I'm saying? So that's the story with this piece. This space has really been just a catch-all, and it really just needs to be given some identity. If you're following me, you know I'm working on a hutch and a beautiful china cabinet as well in the color we have called Crazy Eyes, which is a really bold, vivid orange color, which you're gonna see the rug in just a little bit and you'll know why I picked that color. But I'm not finished with them just yet. So let's go ahead and move the furniture in here that I do have. All right, let's go ahead and put a lovely clean on this floor. I love this rug. I love the color it brings into this space, and because there is just so much dark, beautiful, yummy, rich wood, like the wainscoting behind me, this rug just gives a added pop of color. It's got some really warm neutrals into it as well, so I love the rug. I have a few pieces of furniture that I'm bringing into this space extra that will be in this gorgeous color line. Okay, so since this table is in this space, it is so heavy, it will not fit through the doors. It's in here. We set it up in here. It's gonna stay in here until we get the chairs that will fit with it, like I said in the beginning. So right now it is against the wall. It's my buffet line, like I told you. So we're gonna decorate around that. And I'm looking back in this corner right now, and do you see how I showed you how this room has a beautiful ceiling? Well, instead of pieces that go on a horizontal flat, if you have a room filled with everything that goes horizontal, meaning that everything is long this way, what it's gonna do is draw attention to how long the room is. So we've got that piece in there, but you know what? Let's put something in the corner that makes us look up. So I've got a tall piece of furniture that I painted here in the vlog in our chippy milk paint. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put that piece right in there, and also it should really lighten up that corner. And there she be.
Oh, I love all this chippiness right here. I love spaces that just feel really, I don't know, old and lived in and cozy. So the milk paint gives us this really cool chippy looks. The other piece that I just moved in is this table, which I am in love with. I like that it's metallic as well because, like I said, a dark space, bring in lights, bring in metallics. That's a great way to lighten it up. But ooh, this table needs clean. And it's funny, last night we were talking about how I have a glass top table in my rec room and I like it because it's a smaller space and it really doesn't block it off. Well, because I've got Mr. Table over here and this one right here, which is actually the one that we use, the fact that it's a glass top, it just doesn't take up a whole lot of space. Therefore, it's not like I have ginormous big tables in this space, right? It just makes it much more open and airy, and it's breathing. The space is breathing.
And that corner right there that also needs some bright piece to go in it, I have got the perfect piece.
Yep, it is that piece that you saw me paint this week over on Facebook, over at Junk Monkey Paint Company. If you want to check that out, we use vintage white to give this vintage mirror a facelift. Oh, the power of paint. And she's looking beautiful. You see what I'm saying with the light, with the dark? I really feel like some pops of white in here would look really, really well. All right, let me go ahead and just get him looking the way I want him to. And let's see what we're gonna put on the side over here. Kitty, kitty, Stanley. What are you doing, kitty cat? Since this rug has some teal into it, I thought I would go ahead and bring a pop of color in here as well. This was just a $12 table that I found at Goodwill and painted it to make it look fabulous, darling, fabulous. Now on to our $5 chairs. On the vlog here, you went with me and my sister and we went yard sailing and I got 4 wooden chairs for $5 and I painted them gold, a little bit of metallic, because I love gold. And so 4 chairs, $5. Yeah, so the next time you need a table set, you need something to spruce up what you got, go out thrifting, go out junking, find something that just has good bones. Who cares if it's dented and dinged and just shows where the life has been, because you can make it yours with the power of paint. I love, and even though these chairs didn't even go with that table, you know what, that's okay. It just makes it look interesting, eclectic, and at the end of the day, this is my house, just like it's your house. So you gotta make it beautiful in your own way, the way you like. So we don't want everything to be at this level. We need some height. So this is where your lamps come in, some really cool pieces that you can find that just bring height to your space. This is a thrift store picture that I found, and I painted it black velvet, and then I just did a light neutral on the outside, turned it into a chalkboard. I didn't seal it, so now I have a chalkboard, which I'm gonna have to put a really cool, I don't know, maybe some sort of fall design on it. What do you guys think? Give me some inspiration. What should I write on this chalkboard? Any ideas? I do like that. What do you guys think? Oh, I love these pumpkins, by the way. Matt found these, brought them home, love them. So here's where you get to intermingle a little bit of your own personality. I love owls. I'm totally okay with owls being in my dining room because, say it with me, it's my home. It's your home. We can do whatever the heck we want. So now let's put a little bit of a pop of color over here, just like we have over here on this table. Let's put a pop of color over here as well. We need to bring that teal over to this side. It's funny because the tags are still on these because I was gonna put them into my living room and they never made it into the living room. They're this beautiful metallic, which goes really well with this space. And I paid all of they were regularly $18 a piece,
and I got them for $7.99 a piece.
Ooh, I do like that. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that. I love that. Give me a book and I'm ready to sit up here. Regularly $14. Got it for $6.99. Again, it has metallic into it. This piece as well I found when I was at Gabe's. I do love the colors that are in this piece. Now I've got these crates right here that I found at a second-hand store, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate these into the space. Ooh, I love all the old paper and all that color right there. All right, let's lighten up this corner. Let's put a few pumpkins over here. So cute, look at this. Oh, love it, love it. Isn't this cool as well? So I think it's awesome when you decorate spaces that have the pieces in it that are timeless. I love this one. Look at this one. What do you even call that? Look how it's shaped. Isn't that cool? So for example, at any of these pieces that I have put in here so far, like the pumpkins on top of the candlesticks, this is just all the foundation of the very basic pieces. So those crates over here in the corner, I can put anything I want in them. So when I'm ready to flip over for winter, I can put some cute snowmen or something like that I found inside of there, decorate in there with some lights, make it look really, really cute. Basic pieces, and then decorate with a few things that really bring out the season. This is a runner that I found recently, and it says Hello Fall. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and drape this across the top. Okay, that looks awesome. Oh, so pretty. Who else loves little truck patterns like this? So last night in the vlog, I showed you guys that I found this little cute wooden rustic tray at home, not for $9.99, rather for half price for $5 because it had all these little dents and scratches on it from being stacked up. And I told you we would do a quick paint fix on that. So scored it for $5. I'm gonna grab my Junk Monkey Antiquing Glaze. It's the black. And all I'm gonna do, remember this goes over paint. It loves to soak into things. So we're gonna go ahead and put it over this rough lumber planking, and it's gonna suck right in. It's hungry thirsty, and we're gonna basically stain it, but this is gonna be easy because it's water-based. Easy cleanup, and it only takes a second to do. I'm gonna grab one of my cloths that I used yesterday when I was staining, a nice clean corner of it. I'm gonna dip it into my black glaze. This glaze comes in black, brown, teal, and white, by the way. All right, and now let's go ahead and put it right over, just like that. Hello. Let it suck into that area. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now let's go ahead and put it on the table. These placemats, which I really like because they're wipeable. I found these at Walmart for, I think it was $1.98 a piece. I like how it just looks like it's textured, but yet they're wipeable, so easy. So let's throw these down. Because it's a glass top too, I like leaving these down because I like to come here, sit down, have my tea, and do my thing in the middle of the day and not have to worry about scratching the tabletop. Doesn't that look so much better? All right, let's figure out where we want to put this tray. How about like right here? I think that would be a good spot for it. Speaking of that black antiquing glaze, who was on my Facebook Live when we painted these together? All right, let's add a little bit of greenery right here, which I do love, my little sprigs of greenery, remember, that are hiding around this place. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and add on some pumpkins. Mother Nature is the greatest artist of all. Okay, now I feel complete. Matt agreed too that maybe one more pumpkin would have done it. And I'm not even sure if that's a pumpkin. Matt, is that even a pumpkin? I don't even know what that is. Does anybody know? Maybe it's a gourd? Don't know. All right, we are done. Friends, I gotta tell you, this makes me wanna get those other couple pieces done for this space that will be that pop of color. So remember, over here I also have this nice long wall. I don't have anything against it because I think that's where I'm gonna put the buffet that I'm working on right here. That crazy eyes piece, I think that would look really cool right there. And maybe then also put the china cabinet somewhere down here at the far end. So yeah, it's always fun to mix and match and play with the furniture. So this is what's in my space right now. I am loving on it, and I am ready. This weekend we're actually throwing a gathering. It is our fall send-off, Halloween send-off, but also it's our anniversary this weekend. So this table right here will be covered with a smorgasbord of food, good music. My sister's coming in from Canada. It's gonna be amazing. So this space is ready. It smells so fresh. My goal was cozy, warm, fall vibes, and I think we definitely achieved it, and we didn't have to break the bank to do it.
So guys, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Did I do good for the dining room? I'm gonna tell you, it makes me wanna get those couple extra pieces put in here. Probably like tomorrow, we'll work on finishing up those painted crazy eyes pieces, the vivid orange pieces. Oh my gosh. So stay tuned, come back tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure I'll have them in place. When I started this vlog, I was like, I'm gonna finish them this week. Now, after getting this far, I'm like, no, I'm gonna finish them tomorrow. That just lit a fire under me to get it done because I'm loving how this space turned out. And I know with those few pieces, it's gonna be even better. So I'll see you tomorrow. It's a date, come back, and we'll finish it off with those few extra pieces. She's really finished now, but we can add a few more pieces of jewelry, can't we? Thanks for subscribing, and be sure to hit the bell. What it does is it will send you an alert every single time my daily video is uploaded and ready for you to watch. See you tomorrow, bye.